Hi, I'm Elizabeth Nadine, a geologist in the College of Natural Science and Mathematics here at UAF. Welcome to the Arctic Research Open House.
Hello, my name is Gwen Holdman. I'm the director of the Alaska Center for Energy and Power.
My name is Kelsey Nicholson. I'm the program administrator for the UAF Center for One Health Research.
Hello, I'm Carsten Höfer, Associate Dean of Veterinary Medicine and the Principal Investigator of the Biomedical Learning and Student Training, or BLAST program.
Hi everyone, my name is Sindonia Bretthart. I'm a professor in the Department of Biology and Wildlife and the Institute of Arctic Biology, and I'm the science co-director of the Toolik Field Station.
Hi, I'm Hayo Aiken, Director of the International Arctic Research Center at the University of Alaska Fairbanks.
I'm Dr. John Blake. I'm the University of Alaska Fairbanks attending veterinarian, and I'm Director of the university's Animal Resources Center.
Hello, this is Brad Moran, Dean of the College of Fisheries and Ocean Sciences at UAF.
I'm Bob McCoy, and I'm the Director of the Geophysical Institute at the University of Alaska Fairbanks.
Welcome to the 2021 Arctic Research Open House. I'm Nettie LaBelle-Hamer, the Interim Vice Chancellor for Research here at UAF. I'm also the Director of the Alaska Satellite Facility. This event began in 2018 when we invited the public on campus to meet our world-class scientists and explore fascinating research in climate science, geoscience, fisheries, engineering, and more. Then COVID hit, so this year we're trying something new. Over the next 2 hours, you'll hear flash talks from students and researchers studying a large range of topics such as Arctic marine mammals, unmanned aerial and electric vehicles, generating power from renewable sources, and much more. These interesting topics will also help you learn about the benefits that UAF research provides to not just this year's students, but to all Alaskans and people around the world. We hope you enjoy this snapshot into our research picture. If you live in Fairbanks, we invite you to also join our outdoor scavenger event. All weekend, you can unravel science-themed riddles on the UAF campus to possibly win some cool swag. I hope you join us.